Hi children, we are meeting after a long time. I hope all are safe at home. Be safe, that's the most important thing. So use mask whenever you go outside, and if not necessary, no need to go outside. Be safe at home. And utilize your time wisely. Study all the subjects every day. And I hope you have studied physics till the effects of vision. So today we are going to deal with the next topic. Next topic is refraction through glass prism. So shall we start the topic? Okay. So this is a prism. A prism consists of is made up of glass, and it consists of two triangular bases and three rectangular lateral surfaces. So its base surface is triangular in shape. Lateral surfaces are rectangular in shape. So you have to do this experiment in the lab. That time you can see that, you can touch that, you can use that. So this is a prism, and this angle, this surface, this is called A, B and C. This A is called the angle of the prism. A is called the angle of the prism. Then AB, AC are two lateral surfaces. So when a ray of light, consider a ray of light. The ray of light we are considering as PQ. PQ falls obliquely on the surface AB. PQ is the incident ray. PQ is the incident ray. It falls on the surface AB. We studied that when light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it undergoes refraction. Here it travels from air to glass. That is rarer medium to denser medium. So in which direction the light ray will bend? We know that when light ray travels from rarer to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. So we have to draw the normal first. At the point of incidence, draw the normal. This is a normal. We can name it as N dash, normal. And after reaching the surface, it will undergo refraction. As a result, it will bend, and it will bend towards the normal. This is a refractor ray QR. QR is the refractor ray. Refractor ray. After reaching the surface AR, again it will undergo refraction. Before that, label the angles. This is the angle of incidence. Angle between incident ray and normal is called the angle of incidence, I. Then this angle between refractor ray and normal is called angle of refraction. We name it as R1. R1 is the angle of refraction. So it undergoes a refraction at the surface AB. After reaching the surface AC, again it has to travel from denser medium to rarer medium, glass to air. So again there is refraction. This time denser to rarer. So what is the path of light? It will bend away from the normal. So before that you have to draw the normal. Draw the normal at the point of incidence. Normal you have to draw with the protractor. Correct 90 degree you have to get. For the time being I am showing with the scale. So it will bend away from the normal. Okay, this is a path of light. And this refractor ray, this emergent ray is called RS. RS is a refractor ray. We call it as emergent ray. Emergent ray. And we have to mark the angles. This is the angle of incidence. we call it as R2. Angle of incidence here we are marking R2. Angle of emergence is E. Okay, do you understand the diagram? A ray falls obliquely. If it falls normally, no refraction, it will go straight. So you have to select a ray which falls obliquely to the surface. Obliquely means it makes some angle with the normal. So this is angle of incidence, angle of refraction. The ray bent towards the normal after reaching the surface AC. It is traveling from denser to rarer medium, bent away from the normal. Mark the angles R2 and E. So if there were no refraction, what would be the path of light? If there were no refraction, this is the incident ray, it will go straight, isn't it? But due to refraction, it has bent this much. So what is the deviation? So for that, join the incident ray and the emergent ray. You retrace the emergent ray backwards. Okay. Instead of going along this path, it has bent this much. So this angle made between incident ray and emergent ray, this angle is called a angle of deviation. So D is called a angle of deviation. This is the diagram showing refraction of light through a glass prism. I hope you understood. Okay.